Northair Chest Freezer 5.0 cubic foot with removable basket freestanding top open door freezer. Featuring a capacity of 150 quarts, we have the Northair Chest Freezer 5.0 cubic foot. This unit is much smaller than the Northair unit mentioned before, however it does offer some unique features. The measurements on this unit are as follows: 36.8 inches in height, 29.7 inches in length, and 23.2 inches in width. The size of this unit is pretty compact for the storage capacity which it offers. You may also realize that you'll need more height space than ground space. That being said, this deep freezer will fit in apartments and other home types. It will also be quiet in operation, so there's no need to worry about that aspect. With such a spacious unit, you will definitely be able to store months of meats, frozen food, fruits, or whatever you wish to store. For smaller items, there are 3 removable baskets that come with the unit. The baskets are not fixed, so they can be easily moved from side to side. In terms of temperature control, you will find an adjustable thermostat on the outside body of the freezer. An added unique feature in this unit is the door handle. It is only a small inset, however it allows for easy opening. Another great feature is the balanced hinge on which the door is held. This hinge style allows the freezer door to be open from 45 to a 90-degree angle. You'll also like the fact that you can open the unit and use it hands-free. This unit is also made from environmentally friendly technology and is energy-saving. With your purchase, you will receive a 1-year warranty. Now for some pros. It is noise-free, has a large storage capacity, and the hands-free door with a handle. How about a con? Items may get lost in the chest.